Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sibe. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in either your subdomain or your domain. Currently, I'm using Ionos, so you're free to use your preferred host. But for me, I'm using Ionos. I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. All right, so quickly, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to click on the search text box. I'm going to type install WordPress. All right, so I'm going to wait for it. It's searching, and then I'm going to click on install WordPress. Okay, so now we have the WordPress installations, and then here we have give your website a title. Here I'm going to type demo spots, and then I'm going to click on create website. All right, so here I'm going to provide my administrative login. All right, so I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so I'm going to type this again. All right, so now I'm going to click on I have read and accept the terms of use. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to scroll down. So guys, before I continue, if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. If you like the video, please click on the like button. All right, so for this page, we have WordPress installations. Then select the installation type for your WordPress website. All right, so here I'm going to select this. Um, we have you manage your website and updates by yourself. All right, so we are going to go with this option. All right, so you can also select this option if you want the Ionos team to manage your website and do everything for you. All right, so but for the purpose of this demo, we are going to do everything ourselves, which means we are going to install our WordPress, we are going to install our WordPress theme, we are going to manage our website ourselves. Okay, so click on continue with WordPress. All right, so here we are going to select the domain that we want to install WordPress on. All right, so I'm going to select one of these domains. Okay, now I have selected my domain that I want to install WordPress on, and then I'm going to click on assign domain. All right, so currently our WordPress is The installation process is ongoing. We just need to wait for WordPress to install. So WordPress is currently being installed in our subdomain. So this depends on how fast your server is and all of that. All right. So now that WordPress has been successfully installed on our subdomain, all right. So what we are going to do right now is that I'm going to scroll up a little bit to show you how all of this works. Okay. So congratulations, your new website is online. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this subdomain and then I'm going to open a new web browser. I'm going to paste this subdomain. Then I'm going to type demo.downwithhub.com. Then I'm going to say wp-admin. Here I'm going to show you how to log in into your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to provide my login credentials. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, so now I'm going to click on, I want to configure WordPress installations myself. All right, so we are currently on our WordPress dashboard. What I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to show you how to clean up your WordPress dashboards, all of these activities and WordPress events and news and at a glance, quick draft, site health, and all of this. So I'm going to show you how to clean this up. Just click on this screen options, just click on it, and then we are going to uncheck all of this. I'm going to uncheck all of this. I like keeping my dashboard very clean. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to show you next is that I'm going to show you how to set up your settings. Now click on settings. I'm going to click on login. So paste this right here. That's a description for this demo WordPress website. And then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. The date format is okay. The time format is okay. And then just click on save changes. All right. Okay. Go to reading. All right. So we are going to leave it like this latest post since it's going to be a blog post. And then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Blog pages show at most that's 10. You're free to make these changes as you wish. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. All right, so I'm going to leave this right now. Go to click on these permalinks. All right, so now on the permalink structure, you would need to scroll down and then click on post name. This is a very search engine friendly permalink structure. That's the post name. Click on this and then scroll down and click on Save Changes. All right, so now these are the basic settings for our WordPress dashboard. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. And if you like the video, click on the like button. So what we have done here is very simple steps on how to install WordPress in your subdomain. So the steps that we have done here is the same steps that you're going to take if you want to install WordPress in your domain. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now.